Ados, welcome back. So today I have this makeover makeup transformation for you guys. I have here with me my sister in love. It was her 30th last week, so I did this transformation makeover makeover for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm not gonna waste too much of your time. Let's just jump right into it. Before we get started, please, if today is your first time, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell button so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. Now, let's get into this transformation. So I started the look by prepping our brows. I used a primer before I started outlining, and I'm outlining our brows using the Jordana Cosmetics brow pencil, and this is the shade dark brown. I used that to outline her brows, and then I filled it in with medium brown. This Jordana brow pencil has just been my go-to ever since I started using it. I just love, the pigmentation. I love how it lasts all day, and I love the color. I think the color was what, drew my attention to it. I just love it. All right, so now I'm just taking the LA Pro concealer, and I'm using this just to clean up our brows. I'm using the shade Almond. Yes, I use the shade Almond to clean the bottom of her brows, and then I was not even done with the brows, and she was already filling herself, as you guys can see. And then after that, I used the shade Toffee to clean up the top of her brows.
It's fake kills. Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga.
Alright, brows completed. I'm just taking a blending brush just to blend out all of the concealer, just to make sure I don't have any ash edges with the concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and this is the shade Room 5. And I'm going to place this all over her eyes, and then I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow look. For the entire look, I used the James Charles X Morphe. Is it Morphe or Morph? Whatever you want to call it. Same thing. Eyeshadow palette. The eye look is really easy. It was really simple. I only used 3 eyeshadows. I used a crease color, and then I went in with a dark brown color, and then I went in with my lid color, which was also a brown. I do not have the palette in front of me right now, but be sure to check my description box to list for the list of all the eyeshadows that I use. However, I did use the Morphe X James Charles eyeshadow palette. Once I was done blending the eyeshadow, I'm taking this Wet n Wild peach liner, and I'm using this in a waterline. I opted for a peach liner instead of a black because I wanted our eyes to be wide open. I did not want her to, be all smoked out. I wanted to be, somewhat soft. And then once that was done, I went into the NYX glitter adhesive. I placed this all over her lid, and then I added a pop of glitter. You guys know it was coming. This gold glitter, and I'm applying this on her lid as well. You guys know I always skip liner when it comes to my eyeshadow looks, but I love how it looks without liner because it just makes it look softer rather than dramatic. The lashes I use on her is from Black Label. It does not have any name, but it's from Black Label. Now I'm going into the skin. I'm using the Lancome Ultra Multi-Action something. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's that very long name bottle. And then I added the Frankie Rose Prime Addiction Primer. This is one of my favorite primer. I just love how it feels on the skin. You guys will see her reaction after I apply the primer on our skin. It's really, really beautiful. It makes your skin extra smooth. And then after that, I'm gonna add the Luminous Glow from LA Girl Cosmetics. I'm gonna add that just to give her, just to bring out that inner glow before I add the foundation. For foundation, I also use the Frankie Rose foundation, and this is the shade Mocha. And then after foundation, I use the Frankie Rose Our Little Secret concealer, and this is the shade Truffle. I proceed to set the concealer by using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I place this everywhere I used the concealer, which was her under eye, the bridge of her nose, her cupid's bow, the chin, and the forehead. And then I set her entire face using MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep. And then I contoured and bronzed up her face using the CoverGirl Ebony Bronze. Yes, I had a brain fart right there. Ebony Bronze, and I mixed that with Sleek Contour Kit in the shade Dark. For blush, I use Frankie Rose Cosmetics blush in the shade Sienna, and then I proceed to the lips. I'm lining her lips using ColourPop Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Peach, and then for lip color, I'm using Color Drain liquid lipstick in the shade Sugar. And then I top that with NYX Cosmetics Lip Tease in the shade Chick Appeal. So she doesn't like when I set her entire face, but I don't care. I love it. So right here, I'm using MAC Fix Plus to set our entire face. And then after that, I'm going in with the Jackie Aina highlighter in La Peach. This is the best highlighter in the market. If you guys do not have it, make sure you grab it while they still have it on Artist Couture. It's just the best. It does it for me. It's just pretty. You have to try it to see what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's what I use for the glow. This is about it. You guys see how easy it was? Easy yet very glamorous, very beautiful. She had an amazing birthday party. She enjoyed herself. We all enjoyed ourselves. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial or makeup transformation. Well, thank you so much for watching as always, dolls. And I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye-bye.